Hey guys, I want to show you a way where you can have instant God mode on any zombies map for Infinite Warfare. We've known about this for a while, and big shout out to Matrix115. He's the one that found this, and we didn't want to post it, but it looks like some of the other YouTubers are starting to post it, so I wanted to go ahead and show you this. There's a weapon that you have to get from supply drops only, so zombie crates or, multiplayer supply drops, and it's the shadow version of the M2187. It's a shotgun, and it has a variant on it called Ninja, and Ninja allows you to be hidden from the zombies when you fire your last shot for just a moment. Like, it's supposed to be temporary, but there's a way to make it permanent. You want to level it up to at least a level 2 so you can have an akimbo attachment on it, and that's what's going to cause this gun to glitch out. Now just go into any zombies map and go to the magic wheel, and you want to fish this gun out of the magic wheel. It's the only place you can get it. I'm usually able to get it out of the magic wheel within about 10 tries, so it's not that difficult. Once you do get it out of the magic wheel, all you have to do is empty both magazines to 0. You don't have to empty the clip and have like no ammo. That's not necessary. Once both magazines hit 0, you're going to be invisible from zombies and most bosses. On this map, you are invisible from the zombies and the Krogs and the boss Krog that comes occasionally, but I don't think you're invincible or invisible from the big boss in the main Easter egg. So right here, I'm about to empty both magazines to 0, and at that point, I will be invisible to the zombies. I'm not invincible. You can still get killed by traps, so just be aware of that. There are some things that you can and can't do if you want to keep this invisibility. You don't even have to keep holding this M2187 shadow. You can get rid of it and hold any weapon. Once you've emptied those magazines and set that invisibility, it stays permanent. Although we knew that this gun did this for a long time, I didn't know that you didn't have to hold it the entire time, so big shout out to Prestige's Key for that information. If you want to keep the gun and keep playing with it, then you can pack-a-punch it. You won't lose the invisibility, but if you bleed out and go into the Afterlife arcade, you will lose that invisibility, and it will unglitch the gun. Even if you go to the Lost and Found and buy it back, you're still not going to have the invisibility again. You're going to have to get rid of the gun and get it back out of the magic wheel and start over. And from what I know, I think Infinity Ward is aware of this gun. They know what's going on with it, so it may not last very long, and a lot of people aren't going to have this gun, and it's going to be difficult to probably get out of supply drops. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.